Good day everyone, welcome to this Bootstrap series course. So we'll be diving into getting Bootstrap ready, downloading compiled CSS and JS. If you want to download and host Bootstrap yourself, go to getbootstrap.com and follow the instruction there. Install val cmd. If you don't want to download and install and host Bootstrap yourself, you can include it from a cnd, which means content delivery network. So we just go to our Bootstrap page, we type this, we call this Bootstrap. So we want to actually, let's go to the site. So we'll go to read the doc. So here we'll come to download. So you can actually download this. Yeah, you can actually download it. I have this already, so I'll not be downloading it. So fine, I'll be moving into my VS Code. Sorry for this. I'll take this off. I'll create my boilerplate again. Sorry, let me delete this. So this is my index file. I'm working on my index file. If you can look this place, I have my Bootstrap 5.3 list, and there you see my CSS and JavaScript compiled CSS. I will compiled Bootstrap. Everything is compiled here. That is hosted on my window, sorry, my system, I need to say. So what I want to actually link this. VS Code is good because it does autocomplete for you. That is why most developers love using Bootstrap. It's actually make life easy for programmers. So this is the folder, the Bootstrap folder 5.3 dist, and another folder called CSS. Look at it here, and again we got our file name, which is bootstrap.main.css. so we want to get our second folder, which is JS. So I'll press enter, I'll do this, I'll get this, I'll get my JS, and I'll come down here and get my Bootstrap main.js. So fine, so let's test our Bootstrap if it is actually working. So first of all, I will right click me. I believe you know the basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. You have the basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. So I will save this. There's an extension called live server. I'll be working with this, so I'll be using this live server to open my browser. This is the live server. You can install it. So I will come here and I'll right click, and you see open with live server. So I'll now open this. So it should open system. Do you see this is normal HTML button? This is the normal HTML button. So I want to add Bootstrap class to it to actually test it if it is working. btn outline primary. It's line primary. I will save and I will go to my browser and check. Do you see? Do you see it? So that's for the compiled CSS and JS. So we'll move to the CND link. This CND link is hosted online. It's not hosted on our machine. It's not hosted on our machine. So actually the first one, which is the compiled CSS and JS, is hosted on our machine, that is why we are actually getting those results. It's just like a file already in our machine. We'll just get in the class. Now this, I'll just get this off. I'll take it off. I'll take this off. Sorry. Take this off. And I'll save. I'll go to my, do you see it now? Now I want to actually copy this particular link. I'll copy and I'll come to my VS Code. I'll paste it here and I'll format my code. To format my code, I'll right click. You see format document to format it automatically. Now I want to go and copy the script, which is the JavaScript. I'll copy these scripts. And I'll come here down. This will be down my body. So I believe immensely you have the basic knowledge of this stuff that I will be showing you. So now we'll remove our class. Once we remove our class and save and check, you see we are getting normal HTML class. Now I be HTML tag button. So now I want to add class to it. This class will be btn secondary. I don't want to put the outline. And I'll save this. I'll go to my browser and check. You see it. There's another. This is called package manager. You use npm to actually install this. Now I think you don't need this for now. You'll be using this maybe in your you can actually use it now, but I will not be talking about this. So we'll just move on to the next section. I'd like you to join me in the next section so to get more details. So we'll dive into the main scene of the day. So we have actually taught ourselves how to get our Bootstrap links and combine CSS and JavaScript, which is the JS. So we'll be ending this section for here. I would like you to join me in the next section. Thank you.